So the services that we offer at Chandler Co-op is we're a full service provider in terms of agronomy inputs. From start to finish, a farmer will come to us and we'll build out the plan for the next crop year. We'll start with fertilizer, we'll work into seed, and then we'll work into crop protection. During the crop protection discussion, we're able to offer site-specific spraying with SmartScript. We're able to go and fly a field at a high resolution, bring back that data and that imagery with the specific understanding where the weeds are and how tall they are and what they are, so we can make a better decision on what to spray out in that field and provide an application on only what's needed. The benefits that we see for the farmer are decreased chemical usage, which gives savings upfront right away. The second is it allows for dead weeds every time, because we're able to increase our chemistry rates on them given areas that are needed. And the third is more yield for the farmer.
So we're very fortunate to have Chandler Co-op in our area, and the fact that they are very conscious about being on the cutting edge of technology and offering the best product and most of all the best service benefits farmers in a way that they help us do our job better, whether it be their agronomy insight, the inputs that we purchase from them, being able to get the best quality product. Drone technology can be very expensive. With the investment that they've put in to utilizing it, they can offer it to us as farmers at a lower cost than what it would require us as farmers to purchase the technology. Different weed pressures calls for different herbicide plans. Being able to fly the drone, know what weed pressure we have and where that weed pressure is, I'm excited to be able to use the best chemical for the weeds that we have, put them in the right place, and not have it be where we don't need it.
The reason Chandler Co-op has chosen to provide this technology with our customers is technology is going to be the leading edge with how we farm. The industry is changing, and if we don't adapt with the changing environment, we'll be left behind. So what we're doing is we're latching onto this technology so we can go ahead and offer this to our customers. Hopefully it's a benefit to our cooperative system and our patrons all together.
Data-driven weed management is something I'm very excited to partner with Chandler Co-op with on our farm, using data to make sure we're utilizing the best herbicides, putting it exactly where we need it, and in the end, being able to grow the best product that we can.
So at Chandler Co-op, we're super excited that we are able to offer this service for our farmers. All they need to do is give us a call. We can go and have their field flown, we can produce the prescription map, and they can start enjoying their savings.